Everything is either really expensive or really hard to find, but today we're going to show you how you can easily build a 1440p gaming PC.
And it features an RX 7800 XT and Ryzen 5 9600X. And we're going to talk about how you guys have a chance to win this gaming PC after a word from today's sponsor.
Today's video is sponsored by our friends at AMD to showcase this beautiful MSI Aegis ZS2 pre-built, powered by AMD's latest Zen 5 architecture, and more specifically, the Ryzen 9 9900X. With its 12 cores and 24 threads, the CPU can power through the most demanding workloads with ease. With the MSI Aegis ZS2, you not only get the power of one of AMD's best, but you get an easy-to-upgrade system using off-the-shelf components and full RGB control using MSI Mystic Light, making it an all-around great pre-built gaming PC for those looking for the best performance. This PC is available at Costco in-store and online, as well as Best Buys, and you can learn more about this pre-built gaming PC by checking the links in the description down below. And while you're down there, you can enter for a chance to win one of these gaming PCs. Big thanks again to AMD for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's get into the video, shall we?
So first up, we have the Ryzen 5 9600X 6-core 12 thread that does not come with a stock cooler. This is an awesome Gen 5 CPU, and it's new on the AMD platform. It's a really good CPU because it has a great upgrade path. You can really pair any GPU with it on the market, which Matt will talk about in a little bit, but we're going to be using a pretty nice cooler to actually cool it, and we were able to get this for 185 bucks. Now, if you go on Newegg, you can actually bundle this CPU with something like RAM or an SSD and get it basically free, but you're going to pay a little more for the CPU if you do that. Now, for the cooler, we got the Montech HyperFlow ARGB 360. This was $100 on Amazon. It's a pretty nice full ARGB cooler. It has a really cool looking block design. We got some ARGB fans, and you guys will see why we went with this cooler once Matt talks about the case, which already has some ARGB in it. Now, we did go with the full size case this time, so we're not really looking to save tons of dollars, but this Asus Prime B650 Plus Wi-Fi coming in at 150 bucks, definitely still is pretty cheap for a full size board. Good looking board too. It has Wi-Fi 6E built in. It's DDR5 only since it is new Ryzen, so this board's gonna look pretty cool inside of that full ATX case. Coming in at 78 bucks, we have some TeamGroup Vulkan. This is 32 gigs DDR5, 6000 megahertz. It's CL38. You can get some slightly lower latency RAM as well if you spend just a couple extra bucks, but we got the black option, so no RGB or anything, but pretty cheap, 78 bucks. For the SSD, we spent 56 bucks. This is a 1 terabyte Gen 4 Klevv Cras. You can see it goes up to 5,000 megabytes per second, so pretty respectable speeds on the Gen 4. Now, like I said, if you want to save some money, you can get the Newegg bundle where this SSD, probably not this one, it'll probably be a 500 gig, is free, which is pretty cool. It's a Gen 4 typically, or sometimes it's 16 or 32 gigs of RAM even, but usually you have to spend a little more on the CPU to get the bundle price.
Now, it is kind of sad, just this time last year, you were able to pick up the 7800 XT for far less than we paid now, but you know what? It's the market we live in. We're going to show you guys how to build a gaming PC in this current market, and what we have is the RX 7800 XT. We paid a whopping $580 for, which it is a card with 16 gigs of VRAM. It's great for 1440p gaming, and it's still a good option, but if you can find the 9070 or 9070 XT in stock at your local Micro Center or Newegg Shuffle or any of those options, that would definitely be a better go-to choice. But the fact that this is in stock and you can pick it up, albeit a bit more expensive, it is still a good GPU for 1440p gaming. For the power supply, we have the MSI Mag A650BE, which is a 650 watt 8+ bronze power supply, a very highly rated power supply. One thing to mention when we were planning this video, this power supply was in stock and available, but when we went back afterwards, right before filming this power supply is kind of hard to get, but if you use the links down below, they are affiliate links and they will help us out. You can find the BN model, which is a little more expensive and, well, is the same wattage. So you can go with this power supply, or you can go with our Seagotep 650 80+ Gold, which is always in stock at $49, which will make some good price performance. This power supply at 60 bucks is still a solid option. And to up our aesthetic game, we have some Asia Horse black sleeve cables. They're just black sleeve cables. They're very basic, but they will add a nice little touch to the premium quality of this build. Hey, if we're gonna spend as much money, we're gonna have to, we might as well make this build look really premium. And at an addition of only 20 bucks, I think that's good value. And shout out to today's case sponsor, Zalman, with their Chronix full-size case. The reason that this case is so cool is it is a budget case coming in at typically under $80, but comes with a lot of high-end case features. So you have the really cool fish tank style design with the 2 tempered glass panels right here. It does come with 3 fans that are infinity mirror fans, so a little bit more special when it comes to ARGB fans. It does terminate on an ARGB header, so you can hook it up to an ARGB hub if you want to. Because we did go the 360mm AIO, it does support up to a 360mm AIO up top to really maximize this case. And again, at the price point of $80, it's a really solid price performance option that looks very premium and can fit very large GPUs. So thanks again to Zalman for being the case sponsor of today's video, but we gotta go ahead and build this gaming PC and show you guys what it's capable of in 1440p to see if you should invest this much money into a PC in 2025.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are playing some Call of Duty Warzone. This is the pinnacle of 1440p AAA right here. We're running balanced preset. Once again, 1440p, not using any upscaling. Balance preset should run pretty well, but we'll actually see, you know, what the game yields us. We're playing some Resurgence and Rebirth Island quads. See what happens.
Well, I can tell one thing, that GPU, almost at 100% usage across the board, which is what you want to see. Why is sensitivity so crazy?
High inside of here. Yeah, that thing is being utilized. We're only using half of its VRAM though, funny enough.
8 gigs for balanced.
Yeah. Well, we don't even need that much.
Oh wow, that just jumped really quickly. It's at 8.5 now. See if that goes up throughout the run. But yeah, balanced, the textures are definitely lower, so you not use much VRAM. Oh, imagine.
Oh my god, I'm out of ammo. I'm
oh. B-May, get him! Yeah, temperatures inside this build are solid as well, 61 degrees with the 7800 XT. Airflow is very nice inside this Chronix case. Like that guy, don't scope out no matter what. Ooh! Into victory you went.
Oh, imagine I just did that to him. He'd be pissed. Oh.
That's a move.
I knew they were going to be a demon.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm crazy. Bro, is there someone over here too?
Yo!
Who's this?
Ah!
Bro. Oh, that might be my end.
No.
Oh, it wasn't reloaded.
No.
All right, well, even if I come back, I'm calling it there because I feel like that was a decent run. We can't spoil it now, but 1440p with no upscaling in Call of Duty, I mean, it's kind of speaking for itself. Let's go to the next game.
Next game. All right, guys, we're in Fortnite, which is a game, but currently we're running 1440p, DX12, far view distance and low textures. Basically with Fortnite, obviously, it's not really a title that you would think 1440p, it'd be very hard to run. It's more CPU bound than anything. So this would be more of a test of the 9600X and how well they handle all the Star Wars guns. The Scat Blaster.
Oh, I saw what's really broken in this update, by the way. If you get a certain lightsaber, I think it's a Sith one, you get like Palpatine's like lightning bolt.
Oh, do you?
And a car can be driving at you and you can, no joke, kill everyone in that car in about 3 seconds.
I like that.
It was a choice Fortnite.
It was a choice Fortnite.
That blast busted.
The shotgun's pretty busted. But yeah, we're getting 200 FPS. CPU's getting pushed to about 70% usage. Oh! Yo! I got someone on my back too.
This is a good example of a PC that, like, with how much extra headroom we have right now, you could definitely stream with this, even though we'd prefer the 9070 or 97 XT, because for streaming, it is amazing.
Yeah.
This card, you could still do it on this PC. Is that Mr. Wick?
Oh, Mr. Wick! Ah, third party, no! Oh!
Oh!
All right, we're getting our drop in. That wasn't enough.
Good go.
HP with this.
That work.
Ooh, apparently I do.
If only you had that force that's something that would just obliterate him.
I dare you to come out of that car. Name a more iconic gun sound. Other than just AI stormtroopers. All right, guys, I'll call it here. Fortnite, more than playable. Again, 1440p Fortnite with performance settings is not going to be too demanding, but you can get a 1440p high refresh rate experience if you end up getting yourself a, let's say, 1440p 240 hertz monitor. It's to be a good experience overall. But let's run some other games, and then we'll talk about at the end of this video how you guys have a chance to win this PC, which if you're watching it right now, you're running out of time because you have 2 hours at the time of this video going live to actually win it. So we'll talk about that and other future giveaways we're going to be doing, but let's go run those other benchmarks and wrap this video up real quick.
All right, guys, the giveaway PC has been benchmarked and fully tested. 1440p is not a problem for this gaming PC, and it looks pretty nice without having to spend a lot of extra money on aesthetics.
And we ran another benchmark along with our 30 mark score to really see what this PC is capable of. We ran Monster Hunter Wilds at 1440p ultra settings using some FSR and got an average of 79 FPS.
And for 30 mark, we got a score of 16,916, which is an 8 cent per point. And for a higher end build, that is pretty good on Toasty Bro standards. So I want to know down below if any of you guys are planning on building a PC similar to this, maybe maybe with the 9070 or 9070 XT if you plan on finding one.
And if you guys want a chance to win this gaming PC and you're watching it the day this video went live, over on twitch.tv/ToastyBros, we're gonna be giving away this gaming PC at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you guys don't know, we give away a gaming PC every single month over on twitch.tv/ToastyBros. So if you guys missed this PC giveaway, be sure to just follow the Twitch stream and join the stream so you have a chance to win in the future. Once again, guys, if you want to build this gaming PC yourself, check those links in the description down below. They are affiliate links. They will help us out. Let us know what you think of this gaming PC we put together, and are you building one?
But as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.
But if you just want to support us outright and maybe you don't think you're going to win this PC, go check out PCBros.tech and buy a PC today.
PCBros.tech, you can buy gaming PCs and merch, guys. We have things like this build mat, we have t-shirts, we have a bunch of cool stuff on the website. If you guys want to support the Toasty Bros or just buy a gaming PC with great customer service and a 1-year warranty, use code Toasty Bros on checkout. You'll save 3% on your next purchase. See you guys later. Bye.